Sorry, my neighbor stopped to thank me for helping push their vehicle into the garage. But yeah, I've got a bunch more cardboard here, and I'm just going to lay it on here and wet it down and just keep making layers until I get it even, because even here it's sloping. And once the marigolds are gone, then I can add one more level of timbers. Hey, I got it right the first time. And just pull it all up and make it nice and even. And then I can start working on disassembling that bed, that first one. I'm still debating on whether I should just disassemble all of them and use the soil to level the area. It'll probably be so much easier. And then just buy a truckload to fill up all the new beds. That's an expense, but darn it, it's probably just going to be what's easiest. Because I can unscrew these. They're just attached with screws. I was smart enough to do that. And just pull all the soil out and just use it to level the whole thing. Then there'll be no beds in the way either. Hey, there we go. That'll be my project for next weekend. To disassemble the beds and take all the soil out. And the soil that's way over there in the pumpkin patch. Alright, I'll have to price some timbers and see how much that'll be. Get some more conduit, because that's what that was. I had conduit that was from the Habitat Restore, and they were different lengths of pieces, but the whole bundle was only like 70 cents or something, so that's not bad. They were already cut down to halfway decent length. Next thing I need to do is probably just dig into this hill so that these can actually start off level in the beginning instead of leaning. I don't know. I might just save that part for next spring. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. But look how unlevel that is. It's like where the shovel is, it dips right there. And now there's going to be a trench where behind the marigolds. But it is what it is for now. All right. Let me get back to work.